I was just riding in a car with my husband and my sisters, and somebody pulled out in front of us. I think we were going about 60 miles an hour, so we T-boned them and didn't have time to stop. The airbag deployed. My little sister in the back was just screaming, "Are you guys okay? Are you guys okay?" It was so scary. In that moment, it's just so traumatic. You don't know what to do. You can't breathe. There's dust and rubble everywhere, and it's a scary thing. So Kenny was an old friend of the family at the time. I knew him from just various interactions we'd had, and he's the most kind, honest, caring person. He always made me feel like when I spoke with him, he listened and wanted to know what I had to say. So as soon as the accident happened, it was a no-brainer to call him. Kenny was able to pull comps for me just from various places and was able to actually prove that the car I had was not the car that the insurance company was quoting me for. And he was able to get me enough money to get me into a new car. And it was so helpful because we, at that time, just wouldn't have been able to replace it. I can't even describe the amount of stress it alleviated. You're in this terrifying situation. You don't know what to do. You don't feel well. You're worried. And to have somebody there who walks you through everything and is your advocate the entire time, it's something I can't even recommend enough to anyone in the same situation. It was so nice to have somebody who I knew I could trust, who I knew wouldn't take advantage of me, and who would help me all the way through everything and make sure that I ended up healthy and whole at the end of it all.